Hi sailors, welcome to Builderfly Sailor University. Builderfly is a SaaS-based e-commerce platform that helps you build, market, and grow your online business. You can start your online journey for free with Builderfly and choose your business plan later to grow your online business. This video will help you wisely choose your Builderfly subscription plan. To choose your Builderfly plan, you can visit our official website, click on pricing, and check Builderfly subscription plans. If you are already a Builderfly user, you can log into your Builderfly account and navigate to the subscription section or upgrade section from your Builderfly dashboard. Click on Profile and choose Subscription. Here, you will find the details about your existing subscription plan. You can start your digital journey with absolutely zero investments with Builderfly, building your store with the starter plan. If you started with a lifetime free plan, it will be mentioned here that you are a starter plan user. Rate of purchase and subscription charges will be mentioned in here. To promote your products aggressively, to improve their reach in the market, and to grow your business, you will need access to advanced marketing and growth tools. You can unlock access to these by upgrading your Builderfly plan. Builderfly offers 3 plans: Viz, Starter, Popular, and Growth. Scroll down to view the features of each of these subscription plans, compare them, and decide for yourself the one that suits your business. Click on Upgrade to update your Builderfly subscription plan. Here we opt to update with the Growth plan. Update your number and the email address on which you want to receive your payment information. Proceed further. Feed your credit or debit card details to complete the transaction. You can use the UPI as well. Congratulations! Your store will be upgraded in a while and you will be redirected to your store section. You can upgrade or downgrade your Builderfly subscription plan anytime as per your convenience. If you have any questions regarding to your business plan or custom requirements, you can refer to the FAQs or write to us at support@builderfly.com. Start your business with Builderfly and manage easily from anywhere and anytime without any hassles. Now that you have upgraded your Builderfly account, you will have a wealth of features to experiment with. Start now and we'll see you in the next tutorial to help you build your online business. Thank you for watching.